Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Evaluation of Algebra on Chapter 1 for Class 8. Let's go to the first question. The first, square root 16 equals cubic root of what? Choose one of the following answers. 64, positive or negative 4, 4 or 12. The next, cubic root negative a power 6 equals what? Choose one of the following answers. A power 2, negative a power 2, a power 9, or a power 3. The next, the solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 25 equals 0 in Q is what? Choose one of the following answers. Positive or negative 2, 5, 5, or negative 5. The next, if a cubic vessel of capacity is 1 liter, then the length of its edge in centimeter equals what? 1000, 100, 1, or 10. The next, if cubic root x equals 1/5, then x equals what? Choose one of the following answers. 125, 25, 1 over 125, or 1 over 25. The next, the solution set in Q of the equation x plus 2 all the power of 3 equals 125 is what? Choose one of the following answers. 5, 3, 7, or 10. The next, the set of real numbers r equals what? Choose one of the following answers. Q union Q dash, the set of positive integers intersection the set of negative integers, r positive union r negative, or Q intersection Q dash. The next, if x belongs to z and cubic root 25 greater than x and less than x plus 1, then x minus 2 equals what? Choose one of the following answers. 1, 0, 3, or 2. The next, the value of x which satisfies the equation 5x power 2 minus 1/5 equals 0 is what? Choose one of the following answers. 1 over 5, negative 1 over 5, positive or negative 1 over 5, or 1 over 25. The next, close the interval, negative 3 and 5. Difference, the set of 3 and 5 equals what? Choose one of the following answers. Close the interval, negative 3 and 5. The set of negative 3 and 5. Semi-open interval, negative 3 and 5. Or open interval, negative 3 and 5. The next, semi-close the interval 2 and 5 intersection. Close the intervals 3 and 6 equals what? Choose one of the following answers. Close the interval 2 and 6, open interval 2 and 6, semi-close the interval 3 and 5, or close the interval 3 and 5. The next, cubic root of square root 64 equals what? Choose one of the following answers. 8, 2, 4, or square root 2. The next, if x equals semi-open interval negative infinity and 2 and y equals semi-closed interval negative 2 and 5, then complement of x equals what? Choose one of the following answers. R difference semi-open interval negative infinity and 2, R difference semi-closed interval negative 2 and 5, are or are different semi-closed interval, negative infinity and negative 2. The next by belongs to what? Choose one of the following answers: Q, Q dash, N, or Z. The next, the multiplicative inverse of root 6 over root 2 is what? Choose one of the following answers: square root 3, negative square root 3, square root 3 over 3, or 1 over square root 6. The next, if x equals 2 square root 3 and y equals cubic root 8, then y divided x equals what? Choose one of the following answers: 1 over square root 3, 2 over 3, square root 3 over 2, or square root 3 over 3. The next, are stars equals what? Choose one of the following answers: are positive, intersection are negative, are difference, the set of 0, or the set of positive integers. The next, the multiplicative inverse of the number root 5 minus root 3 is what? Choose one of the following answers: 1 over square root 3 minus square root 5, square root 5 plus square root 3 over 2, square root 5 minus square root 3 over 2, or otherwise. The next, if square root 8 minus 2 square root x equals the 0, then x power 2 equals what? Choose one of the following answers: 4, 2, 8, or negative 4. The next, the set of all the element x where x belongs to R and x greater than or equals 2 and less than 5 equals what? Choose one of the following answers: closed interval 2 and 5, semi-closed interval 2 and 5, open interval 2 and 5, or semi-open interval 2 and 5. The next, if x equals square root 7 minus square root 3 and y equals square root 7 plus square root 3, then x plus y over xy equals what? Choose one of the following answers: 2 root 7, negative 2 over square root 7, square root 7 over 2, or 5. The next, semi-closed interval, negative 1 and 5, difference, the set of negative 1 and 8 equals what? Choose one of the following answers: open interval, negative 1 and 8, semi-open interval, negative 1 and 8, semi-open interval, negative 1 and 5, or open interval, negative 1 and 5. The next, a cube of edge length 6 cm, its lateral surface area equals what? Choose one of the following answers: 6 power 3 squared centimeter, 6 power 2 squared centimeter, 4 times 6 power 2 square centimeter, or 4 times 6 power 3 squared centimeter. The next, the solution set in R of the inequality 2x minus 1 greater than or equals 3 and less than 7 is what? Choose one of the following answers: closed interval 2 and 4, open interval 2 and 4, semi-open interval 2 and 4, or semi-closed interval 2 and 4. The next, The radius length of a right circular cylinder equals its height and its volume equals 64 pi cubic centimeter. Then its lateral area is what? Choose one of the following answers. 32 pi cubic centimeter, 16 pi squared centimeter, 32 pi squared centimeter, or 8 pi squared centimeter. Thank. Remark. You can solve this evaluation live by using the link down the video, and you can get your score immediately. Good luck and goodbye.